Thank you. Brother-in-law. Happy birthday. What's up, man?
Not yet, but one more day.
One more day.
Yes, sir.
How old you gonna be, brother-in-law?
My favorite number.
69. I don't know why that holds so near and dear to our hearts. We love some 69. All right, all right.
You got a breakfast too?
Yeah. Oh, you got a Vexus boat?
Huh?
You got a Vexus?
I work for Vexus.
Oh, you work for Vexus? All right,
Okay.
all right.
I got the boat. You got the boat? I'm 21.
Muffuletta.
And would you like that warmed up or cold?
I like it warm.
Yes,
and
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
Warmed
Yes,
up.
Okay, that's easy.
Yep.
Regular. All right, is this for to go or for here?
For here. You want to eat it here?
Yeah.
Okay, would you like a drink also or not?
Yeah. Let's get. I'm gonna get that Fanta.
Yeah, we got fountain drinks and we got bottled drinks.
What kind you want, bro?
Get that. What's that? A grape? I'm gonna try that. That Fanta.
I got a bag of cake.
Or a bag of chips.
This is the birthday celebration.
Yeah, we celebrate his birthday.
All right.
He's from Pittsburgh, so he's never had. I gave him a bite of my muffuletta and it changed his life.
It does. It's a life-changing event.
Absolutely.
All right, so this is happy birthday. That's on the house.
Oh, awesome.
Can you believe that? Get that on camera.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Yes, sir.
It's not sweet, but it is salty.
Hey, that'll work. Getting a whole cake? Beautiful. All right, all right. Hey, leave us a slice for his birthday.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
My brother, have a good one.
Y'all too, happy New Year. All right.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Tell your sister we say happy birthday. I sure will. I know, right? Should have got a dress.
Look, we got some free chicken. Try the ingredients right here.
You gonna put that on the
One of them just here. How does it need everything?
It's on point.
One more.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
The wait is over.
Yeah, buddy. We gotta take some of this off. Bruh. We usually get a half.
Gosh.
Yeah, we usually get a half.
Oh, we can always have the other hand.
That's it.
Oh, you got.
Check that out. Yeah, record. That is huge.
We got
Get a whole separate tape.
we got
I think we overdid it.
just a little bit. What y'all think?
Check that out. What y'all think about that?
Man, look at that.
Check that out. That is huge.
That's all right. We gonna make it do what it do.
I'm gonna go get him to explain real quick what a muffuletta is. And hey,
Yes, sir.
you care to explain to my YouTube channel real quick what a muffuletta is?
I would be the last person to do it. Lady
Oh,
gets
she
a
making
kitchen.
one right there.
Yeah, she would know.
There you go.
And that is basically
Salami,
Italian.
Yeah, salami, ham, provolone, mortadella, salami, all a mix.
And fresh baked bread.
Beautiful. Like I said, my brother-in-law, when I gave him just a bite of mine, we were out fishing, and I brought it in for a snack. I gave him a bite, his life would change.
This is gonna bring in customers.
Oh, absolutely. Yep, absolutely. Thank y'all. Good stuff. You already own it. You weren't gonna wait on me? So you can go make all the YouTube videos you want to. Lord have mercy. You said you liked it? I said, oh yeah, I can't wait till his birthday. So about 3 weeks ago? Yeah. Back in the day, I would eat the whole thing.
The whole establishment. Well, I can't wait till Zonnie will start back up and I'll be talking out.
Who your birthday back?
June, you got January 6th.
No, we're not. You can go that one.
I couldn't find them over there. Now we're gonna try what they read.
Oh, you kick it up a notch, huh?
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
The flavors is all plain. I mean, got all mixed up. Ooh. Get it close, they can see it now.
I know, right? Get that out, Sam.
Unbelievable. Got all mixture of milk in your mouth. Not your hand now.
Finger looks good.
Thank y'all so much for your business. Appreciate it.
Oh, our pleasure.
Happy New Year to y'all.
Same to you.
We about to put you on the map.
All right.
Not that they already shouldn't be.
I know. All the local know about this joint. Who get it? You got another? Appreciate it.
Man, with a little bit of heat. That's what you said.
A little bit of heat. It's been hot there. And what she said. Uh-oh. I think I might have went. Ooh, went a little too hard in the paint.
Come running out on you?
Yeah. I told the whole thing. Just throw it on my Yeah. It ain't like a whoop. All right. You know what's cool?
Make a zero. Wait, I hope y'all can see that. Oh, how about this? That there is the olives and mixture. What kind of cheese was that?
I forgot what kind of cheese they said.
Salami, ham. Oh my goodness.
You name it, it's in there. Boom. Bam. The boy is stuffed. But this is how we celebrated. We started last night. We went out to we went to Kashada Casino. We did some gambling. Then we went to the
Steakhouse? I can't remember.
Yeah, it's a casino steakhouse, but my God,
Oh,
with that
the food.
freaking
Awesome.
ribeye, and we had ribeye. We had, what did you have?
Seafood pasta.
Seafood pasta.
Man, bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Bon appetits.
I had to chop the food, but
Bon appetit. Yes, indeed. But that's how we celebrate birthdays down here, y'all.
oh yeah.
69.
My favorite number. What the? My favorite number. That's what she said.
And I didn't even know this was a bakery. Tanya liked that Italian cream cake. I'm gonna see if they make that here. Oh, let's see if we can get a to-go box. Holy crap, what is that? Excuse me, what is that? On the top, these
They're cannolis.
cannolis. Wow, right. This we can just grab a to-go. To-go. Can we get a to-go?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. That's my partner, man.
I seen you.
That Tyrell's apartment where he live out in Mont Blanc. He owns it.
Oh,
Yeah, I've been knowing him for a minute. I wonder where the whole thing just. Nope. Yeah, it will.
been right in there.
Think so. Almost. Just kind of do a little flexing. Do a little flexing and get it on in there. What she said, dog. I'm used to fitting big things in the small areas. Oh, I was gonna ask them, did they have that Italian cream cake?
See if they sell it in sauce.
I just want to see if they make it.
Yeah.
Do y'all gonna make the Italian cream cake, huh?
They may have one.
Y'all had a cupcake?
Yeah, there's the cupcakes right here. And I'll look and see if there's
They got it, brother-in-law.
I mean, I just put them in the fridge when you get home.
All right.
Just cream cheese will melt, but it's cold outside, so you should.
All right.
I need that like a half a dozen. Can I get that?
What kind? Or you can get an assortment.
That's what I want to do.
Okay.
I want to get a couple of them Italian creams.
How many too?
What's hummingbird?
Hummingbird is, I believe it's pineapple. And there's bananas. What else is in cup? And where's that? Hummingbird. And ham.
That's okay. I'll pass on that.
It has pineapple.
I know what red velvet is.
Do you want one or two?
Yeah, give me one of the red velvet. One of them chocolate.
What is that?
That's peanut butter.
Chocolate peanut butter.
Let
All
me
right.
try one of them champagnes. I hit a half a dozen yet?
Champagne.
One more. This is what you have right now.
Let me get a lemon.
Lemon.
This is for my wife. This ain't for me.
Yeah. Lisa gonna eat that. I'm telling. This. I'm recording. I got you, baby. I'm gonna make sure she see this. Got your little wife out there talking about this for her. Full of
She can't wait
crap.
to come over here.
Is that everything?
Yes, ma'am. You want one?
I'm gonna get. Let me get one of the. Let me get two of the Italian cream.
Kids might not make it, Fisher.
I'm gonna eat one maybe. I gotta save one for Tanya so she can get the taste.
We got some good ones.
And that's her
Is this
favorite.
together?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Any other ones that look good to you?
They all look good.
What's the pink one? I didn't get a strawberry.
What's the pink one? Strawberry and then lemon and then
Champagne, you got the champagne?
yep,
Yeah, I got one. And
the chocolate peanut butter
Okay. Which one is the chocolate peanut?
right there.
I put your receipt in the bag.
okay.
Oh, dang it. I just ripped off the
That's on the house.
Oh, thank you. That is awesome.
He know how to get us back.
Oh yeah, he know we be back. Oh, he killing it. It's for your birthday.
Yeah,
Oh, he killing it.
we want you to come back.
Oh, trust me, we will.
It's my birthday. All I need is for the cooks to sing.
Well, maybe next time they'll be ready.
Okay. He said we're working right now.
Well, some restaurants they sing while they working. It's part of the job. Thank you, brother.
But you want your sandwich or do you want us to sing?
Sing. We want the sandwich.
But I'll make the sandwich first.
All that's gonna do is put you to sleep after you done ate that big sandwich and somebody sing to you. You're going to sleep.
Sandwich. I've been down here 5 years. I moved here from Pittsburgh.
Oh,
And
wow.
that is the best sandwich I've ever had.
Yeah, the secret is in the bread. I think this gentleman here bakes it every morning.
Fresh.
Makes fresh bread right there.
That is
He's the-
He said you're responsible for this awesome sandwich. You build the base. Hey, that's what son-in-laws count. Trust me.
telling you.
That is beautiful. All right, y'all. Well, thank y'all for being so hospitable.
You believe
Oh yeah, you'll see us. Yeah, maybe more than you want.
Thank you so much again. Part of our figure keeping method.
Absolutely. Going into 2024. Right.
Ooh, he got the peanut.
Cheers.
Peanut butter.
Boom. See what we got here.
It goes our figure.
Strawberry. What you thinking?
I'm thinking you ought to try yo.
I'm fixing to get down.
I don't know if Lisa's gonna see these cupcakes. I'm gonna try to make them home. She might get some crumbs. I'll say with a paper.
Huh.
Unbelievable, ain't it?
Off the chain. If that was just a little bit warm. I don't even know. I don't even know if warm would help.
I don't need mine.
Woo! I know.
Get inside.
Boom. Brother-in-law, I enjoyed it.
Excellent birthday, man.
Beautiful.
I mean, it ain't even my birthday yet, and it's just been off the chain.
That's how we do it, baby.
What a blessing.
Absolutely.
I was missing home. Don't get me wrong, y'all, but hey, Louisiana got something on y'all.
Oh, we make it work, baby. All right.
No, dude.
All right. All right, fam. Me and brother-in-law gonna go ahead and bring this video in for a landing.
You caught me sneak out my food.
We're gonna go ahead and bring this one in for a landing. I was gonna do a double, but that would be a long video if I do eating and fishing. So we're just gonna do the piranhas part, and we're gonna call this a video in itself. We introduce y'all to piranhas, to the muffuletta sandwich, which is a sandwich out of New Orleans, filled with olives and pepperoni and ham
cheese,
and just goodness.
homemade
And there's some
bread.
kind of olive oil maybe in there. Whatever it is.
Awesome. Now you say
Check it out, fam.
Table muscle.
Woo.
Now you say you might not be able to make the video too long. If we get up there and start catching,
Oh, we'll make two separate videos.
Okay.
Two separate videos.
Okay.
But we're going to bring this one in for a landing. All right, family. Y'all help me wish my brother-in-law a happy 69th birthday tomorrow. And y'all will probably see this video Monday. So his birthday will have passed. I know, 69. Woo! Yeah, baby.
#1 YouTube channel
Oh,
right there.
y'all better believe
recognize.
it. All right, we coming. We coming. Peace. Boom.